Former police trainee held for questioning in relation to death of Jamaica Defence Force soldier. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. Special welcome as well to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Also this evening, Public Health Inspector calls for plastic ban to be widened. And we want JUTC buses. St. Thomas residents explain why. There's also sports and weather in this newscast, so stay with us. Details right after this break.